Hello, this is Amal, and in this video, I will explain to you how you can save your document as a draft in your Signit account to modify it and send it later to your signers. Simply click on Upload Documents and select your local document from your device, say for example, a service agreement, and then once the document is fully loaded, click on Next. Here, add all of your participants, add their information and their names, and then add and place the fields that the signers are going to fill in later when they sign on the document. Let's say, for example, the signature, fix the alignment of it, and you can change the size as well. You can add the name as well here. And then move on to the final step, which is to review and send. So in this step, make sure that the information of your signers is correct, adding like the correct subject of the document, and adding the message as well. But before clicking on finish and send to send your document, click on X right here, and a question or a pop-up is going to appear. Save the document as a draft, so click on Save and Exit, and now the document is saved as a draft. Where you can find the document or the drafted document by simply going to the main interface of Signit, and then click from the left side bar right here on Documents. You can find the document at the beginning right here in the status of a draft by clicking on the three dots right here. Once you are ready to send the document to your signers, simply click on Edit, and this will allow you to add more participants if needed, also to add more fields if needed for your signers to fill in, and finally review and send, so you can send the final document to your signers.